Hi, this is Yamini here. I've taken up the Python with AI and ML course in myTectra. As I finished my Python course, I've now got placed at 5 years as a Python developer. I'd like to take this chance to thank myTectra and the placement team.
Hi, myself is Munir. I am coming from Kerala to Bangalore for doing my Python batch in myTectra team. And the faculties are good here. They clear all the doubts, and Santosh sir and Deeplearning sir, they already have great knowledge about AML Python batch, and they are clearing the doubts for everyone. Thank you myTectra team for giving knowledge about Python and AML class.
Hi, my name is Roja. I'm from Hyderabad. I completed my bachelor's degree in electronics and communication engineering to pursue my higher studies and to have the knowledge and to compete with the corporate world. I came to myTectra and now I'm currently pursuing Python with AL and MI. Trainer was good and he was always friendly approach, and he's having the knowledge about everything in all the aspects and he cleared our doubts. Thank you myTectra team.